guys, it is the next day. I'm out working. However, I just put in an offer on one of my other apps that I use, and that offer was not accepted. It was for like $37 to $38 to do a run from where I am to another city. And I definitely submitted my offer for that, but it was given to somebody else. I'm kind of low-key hoping that they decide they don't want to do it no more, because typically they'll put it back in there and then give me a chance to get it again. But if I'm gonna sit here for a few minutes, and if I don't see anything worth my time doing, I'm gonna have to just sign in the DoorDash, which I don't want to do, because I'm pretty much over them at this point. It's just no longer worth my time. The week, like the middle of August, I did make like a $700 doing DoorDash, but it was like because I was out doing work all day, and I have not had a week like that ever since, because school has since started. I haven't been able to really be out that much. I have 6 hours to myself in the morning time to either work or relax and enjoy my time. And then after that, I got to pick up my kids, make sure they get something to eat, and either head back out to work, which I typically will do for a couple of hours or whatever, or do things that I have to do with them. So as the school year progresses, they'll be doing like homework and stuff like, well, my oldest one will, so I'll have to be available for that. However, the situation with my phone is still the same way. For some reason, it's only charging in my truck. So I don't know. I didn't buy a charger last night after I saw that, because the prices was like $21. I could just go to the Apple store and get an Apple charger for that money. So Ace must have stole my water. But yeah, I didn't want to buy a charger from the gas station for that price when I could just go to the Apple store and get an Apple charger for that amount. So I'm gonna try that, and if it works, hopefully it works. I might just need to buy another block as well. Maybe it's the block, but like I said, it wasn't even working in the computer or in any of the ports at where I'm staying at. So I don't know, honey. I don't know. But so that's what's going on right now, and I'll see y'all again in a few minutes, or whenever I get back on for another update or whatever is going on. Okay, so welcome to the vlog if I haven't already said that, and I'll see y'all in a few. All right, so I just submitted another offer for another little gig. This one is staying in the same city or whatever. So being as though I'm already in the city, sometimes it's more likely that you'll get it when you're already in the location. So we shall see. I hate that I have to like fight for these though. Like I wish that this is a decent paying app. It's not bad, but I just wish that you didn't have to submit offers for stuff. Like whatever you see in there, you would be able to just do because it's available, and that's it. Like you just take it and go do it. But I don't know, I guess the way that they have it, because it's different locations and different jobs, they don't want two people to be at the same place or whatever. I wish they would think of like another way to make sure that wouldn't happen though, because I really just don't like to have to sit and wait. But I'm gonna try this one, and if I don't get this one, I'm gonna try one more, and if not, I'm just gonna have to move on to DoorDash for the day, because I'm only gonna be out here till about maybe 10 o'clock. I gotta get my kids in, get them in the bed for school tomorrow. I gotta still do their hair, Lord, today. So yeah, August might end up staying home tomorrow, so he might just stay like that one more day, but Ace is definitely gonna go. I'm not sure as of yet. I just have to see what his progress is for tonight. But yeah, wow, I'm tired. I got up at 5 a.m. this morning to take care of something. I have to get up at 5 a.m. tomorrow again to complete it, so hopefully that works out well, and it won't be any more 5 a.m. Well, I'm usually up around that time anyway, but I don't have to get up and do anything and talk to people and all of that. So yeah, that's what's going on. I'll be back on to let y'all know if I got the offer or not. And I will say this, I really want a pickup truck now, because a lot of these orders they have in here or jobs they have in this app, it is like the huge ones. So some of them could be as much as 35 to 4,000 pounds worth of equipment that you got to pick up. And of course, you know, a pickup truck can handle that, but better, more so like a trailer being attached to the pickup. And they be paying like $100, like one of them I saw today was $110. And it was like a 1,400 pound one. The ones that's like 2,000, 3,000, they be like way more. And sometimes they give you 3 as a thing, so each one to pay you like $100 each. Honey, I will gladly go drop off a whole bunch of junk for $300 or whatever the stuff is, okay? And I'll be done for the day. Do 3 of those and I'll be done for the day. I wouldn't even need to work anymore after that, unless I wanted to. But $300 for the day is okay for me for right now. So the notification just came through while I'm talking, and I did not get accepted for this gig. I don't know what's going on today, why they're not accepting my offers, but I'm gonna try for one more if I see another one. And after that, like I said, I'm moving on, because I feel like sitting here is wasting time either way. At least with DoorDash, even if it's $7, I made something from an order. So waiting on them. I don't know what's going on. Last week I had really good really good response from them. I worked a couple of those jobs over the weekend, and they pay the money hit my account on Thursday of last week. So I'm assuming, even though they put the money out a few days earlier, it hits my account every Thursday. So that was my first time getting any pay from them. So this Thursday I'll have another really small pay, because I only did like 2 jobs for them over the weekend. And then we'll see. But typically it's not really this hard. I don't know what's the problem. Maybe somebody had already submitted their offer before me. So we shall see. Alright, so we are DoorDashing. I just picked up this order from this place, some type of pita place. The food smells amazing. So I definitely want to come back for my own personal trying, but I'm about to go deliver this order now. I don't know what's up with this other company today, but I don't really feel like sitting out here to wait, so I just have to move on. So that was a really quick shift. It was only like a 45-minute shift, and the time is up. So now I'm just going to grab something to eat while I have downtime again. I'm gonna look to see what else is in the app, and then I'm gonna also check the other app to see if they gonna start acting like they got some sense today. Because yeah, I don't understand what is going on. Like, why am I not getting any of my offers submitted? It's kind of like getting on my nerves a little bit, because it's never really an issue. Like, you might get one that does that, but not every single one you attempt to get. So yeah, let me eat this food and figure out my situation with these apps. Hopefully y'all can hear me through these headphones clearly. It's my first time using these while recording. I'm picking up an order now from KFC. I started another shift. Started maybe 15 minutes ago. There was hardly no hours in that app. And I know DoorDash will, well, at least this is what I'm hearing, if you have a high acceptance rate, they will give you higher paying orders. So that means for now, to see if it works, I would have to take all the orders that's not worth taking. So it could be 10 miles for $5. I would have to get that to bring my acceptance rate up and see if what they're saying is true. But With gas prices being the way it is now, I just can't, you know. I can't drive that many miles to what you call it, for $5 or $2 or whatever stupid amount they be trying to pay sometimes. I'm running low. This gloss is gone, y'all. This Aor Beauty gloss is gone. I gotta order some more. You can't even tell I hardly got none on. Alright, let me get off of here and go deliver this. I just backed out of my parking space. It sounded like a freaking motorcycle was flying up the street. Like, my brakes are so bad. I don't know if you can hear them even now. It was just the back brakes at first, but now, like, you can hear all this motion even when I'm going forward. When I'm stopping while going forward, it's just, listen to that. Horrible. It sounds like a straight thunderstorm is taking place right now. Ugh. Alright, so I'm going in, y'all. Tonight was a waste. For real. I just had I just had a double order, and I sat in that line for what felt like 15 minutes just for them to tell me that somebody already came and got the order. So I'm confused as to why they sent it to me in the first place, but nonetheless, I canceled the other one as well and just went home. It's like 9:45. I don't even have time for it tonight. Orders were low price today anyway. I could have really just stayed home, and I'm trying to just stay in good spirits because nonetheless, I mean, life goes on no matter what the dollar amount was for today. But it's just the fact that I got so much to pay. I got to keep up with this room, just so many bills that are still here, you know what I'm saying? And it's just a lot of pressure on one person. While the people that's supposed to be helping, they get to chill, live worry-free, whatever. And the burden is always on me, severe. So ain't like I'm not used to that being the case. But I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I gotta get my kids in to get them ready for school tomorrow, and I will see y'all in the next video.